What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick video and a quick short journey. As you guys know, I purchased two black Axum now that they're on sale for $228, and I'll leave an affiliate link for those in the description below. However, I haven't even taken them off the box yet. One of them is gonna be for me and one of them is gonna be for my dad, and I have most of the parts that I need for both of them except one fork. And I found this fork on the Facebook marketplace for a really good deal, $150. And I've been talking to this guy since like almost a week ago, and he's in Houston, Texas as well, but he is a little bit far from me, so I kind of drag him down and he's gonna meet me kind of halfway, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick it up. This is a rockshox 35 silver TK. So as you know, as some of you guys know, I have a rockshox 35 gold currently on the custom painted Axum. I don't know exactly what the difference is gonna be, but for that price it totally beats the stock fork, and I just really don't want to put the stock fork since the beginning. I'm gonna go ahead and probably replace them both. I'm gonna replace everything from the get-go. I don't know, I'm not sure yet, because I don't know if I want my dad to actually ride this thing as a stock form. What do you guys think? Should I let him ride him on the stock form? That way he can feel the difference afterwards. And let me know down in the comments about that. But yeah, I'm on the way to pick up that fork. $150, a great deal. Guy is gonna meet me anywhere. I gotta be there by, I told him, between 3:45 and 5 o'clock and 4 o'clock. It's 3:42, so I'm gonna meet him in a little bit. And this is supposed to be a takeoff. I'm not sure what bike he was taking off from, but let me get there and I will come back to you guys in a little bit. At this point, if you made it this far so far, please subscribe, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you're new here, please hit that like and the subscribe button. Also share this video, and if you haven't seen my other videos, I do a lot of DIY mountain bike stuff, repairs, upgrades, things like that. Check them out. And yeah, let's hit the next milestone on the subscriber count. Let's help me out with that, and let's ride. Well, I picked up this thing. It's in the back seat, but I think I effed up. I'll show it to you when I get home. So this is what we're dealing with. Let me show you. This is a rockshox 35 silver TK, I believe, and I should have done my research a little bit better, because look at this. This is not an air fork. It's just a coil fork. It does have the rebound adjustment just like a regular fork, and it's through axle 15 by 110, which is good, but this is not what I was looking for. And since I told the guy to meet me, I couldn't back out, so I'm off $150. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good anyway, but it does feel kind of heavy, and compared with the stock Axum wheel, which I use weighed, this right here, this weighs 6.31 pounds and this weighs 5.99 pounds, so 0.32 pounds difference. And I leave the conversion over here on the screen, so it's not much lighter. However, I do have 130 millimeters of travel, 29er, 51 offset, and of course the stanchion have to be a 35 millimeter, which we can check right here, 34.9. So a little disappointed. It is the rockshox 35. It looks freaking badass anyway, but not what I was looking for. And I don't know, should I test this fork, give it a review? I think I should. why not? I have it, and then later on, if I can use it, I sell it, hopefully get my money back, and if not, I leave it as a spare. But for now, I don't know what I'm gonna do, because I wanted to leave this for my dad's bike, but being as heavy as it is, I don't think it's gonna work, because ideally we want to save weight. So this is what I'm thinking. And don't get me wrong, I also just realized that I never did a trail review on the rockshox 35 gold that I have on the painted axle. I never did a review on that one, none on the Tektro brakes that I have on it, so I can do a review on those. And also I can do a review on this one, which is a coil fork. And then on the adder, I currently have a Judy. Okay, it's a Judy TK. I don't remember if it's the silver or gold, but it is air taper, 130 millimeters. So I'm thinking that I can put that on my dad's axle, and then I can put this one right here on the adder, because I'm not using the adder that much, and then just go from there. Because like I said, I gotta find another fork that is actually air, just because, why not? And for now, I think that's gonna be the plan. I'm gonna put in the Judy on my dad's axle, and I'm gonna put this on the adder and just go from there, play by ear, because right now I don't know what I'm gonna do. Other than that, that is all I have for you today, guys. Again, I'm thinking about doing a review on the rockshox 35 gold that I have on the painted axle, because I never did that. I also want to do a review on the Tektro HD 275, the 2-piston brakes that I have on the painted axle, because they work good. I just want to give you my thoughts on it. And then I'm thinking about doing a review on this rockshox 35 coil fork, because why not? I already have it. Let's see how it works. Other than the weight being against it, I think it's gonna be a good fork, and we just go from there. Other than that, that's it for this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, turn the notification bell on. Check the affiliates in the description below, and I'll see you on the trails. Let's ride. Goodbye.